Okay guys, welcome back to the Southern Builds. This was the 07 Commander that we picked up, and we didn't know what was wrong with it. We knew it had something wrong with the motor, but we didn't know what. So we had to tear into it. And we took the heads off and found out that the valve, well, cylinder 5 was a misfire of course, but the valves were destroyed and the piston, the 5th cylinder piston was destroyed. And I'll show you guys an image of that here in a second, but Ben's under there right now, putting that oil pan back under there. And when I say it was a pain to get out. And there's only one person going to fit under this Jeep, and it was Ben. And it took him an hour just to get that oil pan off of there. But not just to pull that oil pan out to replace that piston, but you got to replace the oil pan filter. I'm sorry, the oil pan gasket, and you got to drop the axle, the front axle. This is four-wheel drive, and you got to pull all that assembly apart to get that pan to drop. And it was a pain in the butt. But let me show you the piston if I can find it real quick, what it looked like. Alright guys, I'm going to try to give you a close-up on this. Look at the damage. Look at the rings. Look at the front side here. Holes in the piston. And by the way, this thing ran. Not good, but it ran. On 7 cylinders. And you can see the demolishment of the rings and the piston. Let me get this in a way to where you can see this, guys. By the way, if you guys hear somebody cussing in a minute, it's just Ben. Ben's. These armrests on the Jeep. All right, guys, this is pretty much about as good as I'm going to get with you guys. I'm going to try to turn it over so we can see. Jeez. I mean, I've looked at this thing many times, and every time I do, it just. Alright, now I'm going to walk you over here, guys, and give you a little peek. Try to anyway. Okay, so there's the drive axle, and you can see Ben way up under there. He had to pull the hub assembly, the control arm, everything had to come out of there to drop that axle. But essentially though, when you drop that assembly, you can grab the axle and pull it out as far as you can, but it's kind of a combination of 3 different pieces. And this is an 07 Commander, a hemi motor. I don't know if I mentioned that, but it is a hemi, 5.7. And there was nothing on YouTube showing this. So once again, I'll try to get kind of an angle of a view. So you can see inside there, how he disconnected the upper control arm. And by the way, I advise using a pickle wrench. They call it pickle wrench. To separate the joints, because you'll never get them apart. So let me show you the top part of the motor here.
Show me a 13.2 while you're up there.
13.2?
Yeah.
It is on the cart right here, right?
No.
It's not?
I don't know.
You don't know? 13 socket, right?
Yes.
Right there. Got it.
Well, that's a 1/2" drive. I need a 3/8 drive.
Oh. 3/8, here we go.
It should look just like these.
Alright. It's not in this cart then. It's somewhere else. Let me look. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the oil pan. Let me get you a close up over here, and then I'll show you the top of the. It's actually not that bad. I mean, it's dirty. I think Ben might have been cleaning on it a little bit. Let me show you inside that. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Let's see. Okay, if you look back on the fifth one and see 1, 2, it's a third cylinder back. Get you up in there. If you guys can see that. Count back 1, 2, 3. That was the piston that number 5 cylinder misfire. The piston I just showed you a minute ago was destroyed. That's the new one in there right now that we got to put in there. Now I'm gonna walk you over to show you the new head. Well, let me show you the old head first. Wait till you see this. This is crazy, man. Okay, this is the head that came off there. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at the way it's ate up. That's pieces of the piston that was smashing against the valve. And now the new one. This is the new head. Fresh. Ready for another 2,000 miles. All right, so I'm gonna get over here and see if Ben needs any more, because he's about to fight a battle with the pan. So hang on.